Hello class. Let us continue with the story Girls by Mrinal Pandey, and here is the second paragraph of the story. As we know that in the first paragraph we had come to the point when the girl and her two sisters and her mother, who is pregnant for the fourth time, and she is expecting a male child this time, so as to get rid of all the nuisance of these repeated pregnancies. So they are going to her maternal place, her mother's place, and her father is not going with them. When we reached the station, now these three girls and their mother, they reached the station. I scrambled on the train. I fought my way through people. So she was in a hurry to reach the train compartment. Here the railway station is the setting for the story, and there are only two minor characters, new minor characters which are added. We'll talk about that later on. So the girls and their mother, they reach the station and luggage and secured a place next to the window. Now this is a typical Indian mentality. We all need a window seat while traveling by a train or a bus. So she gets a place next to the window. Triumphantly, victoriously, I stuck my tongue out at everyone and went ee. So she is a very naughty kind of girl. The narrator, who is also the protagonist of the story, and who is she? She is the middle child of this woman who is pregnant. But when I noticed Ma's gaze, and when gaze is the eyesight, nazar, and look. When she looks at her mother, her mother is very angry, and she is very angrily looking at the daughter. So when I noticed Ma's gaze mining towards me, she's looking at the girl in a very angry way. I immediately started chanting the alphabet, and she switches on to another thing, and she starts chanting the alphabet, that is ABCD. Here it is in Hindi: E for Imli, E for Ek, like that. Ma was actually not looking at me though, because she was preoccupied with all her problems. But soon she comes to know that her mother is not actually looking at her, but she is already preoccupied. She is busy with her own thoughts, with her own problems. She had to mind the luggage. Now her mother's first problem is to take care of the luggage, the wobbling surai, the surai that is full of water, the three of us, her three daughters, and cope with the exhaustion of pregnancy as well. And she is tired because of her pregnancy. So she has to take care of the luggage, she has to take care of the surai, that is water bottle, and she has to take care of her three daughters and her pregnancy. And she is in problem. She is in a tired condition. She had to mind the luggage. At the station, we bought a lot of samosas filled with chilies. Then they buy samosas filled with chilies. Now this is Indian English. Some Hindi words or some Marathi words, some Indian words are retained there. So samosas and samosa is the word that is retained as it is. Just when we were buying them, a woman was making her child urinate through the next window. Now this is a disgusting and a very dirty picture, but it is very common at the Indian railway stations. Here is this new minor character that I was talking about. There is a when the girl's mother buying samosas at the railway station, The girl suddenly looks at this woman who is trying to urinate her child by the side of the window. The sight made me feel quite nauseous, and she feels very dirty and she feels nauseous. Who? The protagonist. And I couldn't eat my samosa. And she says, I didn't eat my samosa. So I gave it to Ma instead. But then she gives her samosa, her snack to her mother. Meanwhile, I crushed a piece of potato which was lying on the seat into the shape of an insect. So she crushes. Look at her actions. How naughty the girl is. So she crushes the potato and give it the shape of an insect, kitak, to frighten my younger sister. And with the help of that potato insect, she's tried to frighten her younger sister. She screamed. Who? The younger sister screams, Kinsane, and Ma smacked me. Ma slaps me. The mother slaps her, beats her. And I started to cry as well. And she also starts crying. My elder sister was irritated. Her elder sister becomes irritated, becomes angry, and say irritated means chidne, and said, "Oh, what a nuisance you are!" So, and her elder sister scolds the narrator, the middle daughter, and she says, "You are a nuisance. You are a disturbance. You are a naughty girl." Despite her irritation, anger, I knew that it was only my elder sister. Now, this is very important. But the narrator says, I knew, though my elder sister was angry at me, towards me, though she was scolding me, it was only my elder sister who really loved me. Everyone else was terrible. Now, this is a very important sentence by the narrator regarding her elder sister and regarding all her family members, the rest of the family members. So she has a feeling that nobody loves her. All of them are terrible, she says, except my elder sister. Though she scolds me, she is the only person in this world who loves me. These are the feelings of the protagonist, the middle daughter, or the narrator of this story. So the second scene takes place at the second part of the story takes place at the railway station. The first at the narrator's house, where they prepare their luggage to go to their maternal uncle's or grandmother's place. And in the second scene, we come to know that the setting here is a railway station, where the narrator has come there along with her two sisters, one elder sister and another younger sister, and her pregnant mother, to catch the train and to go to her grandmother's place. And meanwhile, the best part of the scene is that she gets the window seat, but she could not eat the samosa because she looks at a woman who is trying to urinate her child by the side of the window. So she feels disgusting, she feels nauseous, she feels dirty, and she gives her samosa to her mother, and she returns her samosa to her mother, and she tries to frighten her younger sister. And when the younger sister gets frightened, mother slaps her, and the elder sister also tries to scold her. She is also very angry. But the narrator says that her comment is very important. She says that though my elder sister was angry, but she was the only person in this world who loves me. All the other people in my life, all her other family members, they are just terrible. We will stop here and continue tomorrow. Thank you.